In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine torque strut mount on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Let's get into it. Loosen this bolt up. Use a 18mm socket. Pull that out. Using a 18mm wrench, we're going to take this bolt out. Now switch to a ratchet wrench. Once it's loose, you can just do it by hand. Comes right out. I'll take the mount, slide it in place, get the bolt started. And slide this bolt through. Get this one started. Snug that down. Now I'm going to torque these bolts to 55 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.